Hello subscribers and my dear students, hope you're fine. Today I am here with another interesting video. Hope you'll enjoy it. Let's start it. Dear students, today my topic of discussion is market segmentation. Now, what is market segmentation? If we go as a whole from the marketing point of view, it is customer oriented strategy. Okay, it is customer oriented strategy. Market segmentation is a process of dividing a market of potential customer into groups or segments. Yes. Then market segmentation can be again grouping or dividing the market in order to conquer them. Okay, as we have already told that it is consumer or customer oriented strategy. Now let us discuss the objectives of market segmentation. I have written market segmentation as MS. Number 1, it is grouping of customer on the basis of homogeneous characteristics. Okay. Second, it determine market strategies. Yes, how to grab the market or its company's target or goals. Third, it actually conduct the activities of the firm. What kind of activities? It is customer oriented. Okay, then the most important, it expand or identify areas where customer can be created. The most important point, where the customer can be created. Now let us discuss, after the objective, the importance of market segmentation. I am writing market segmentation as MS. Number 1, it provides better position to locate marketing opportunities. Okay. Second, it provide effective utilization of resources. Yes. Third, it help in facing the competition. Okay. And fourth, it enhance marketing efficiency. Yes. Now we know that market segmentation is grouping and dividing the market. Now we will prepare segmentation analysis. Market segmentation analysis. The market segmentation analysis is again brought under consumer characteristics, okay, and these consumer characteristics are personal, and the market is divided on the basis, number one is geographical segmentation. Okay, under geographical segmentation the market is actually divided under regional difference. The parameters or the factors are maybe topography, how the customers are divided on the basis of topography, on the basis of climate, then population, yes, then density, yes, then north zone, south zone, east zone, west zone, like this. Okay, under geographically it is being divided. The second point of segmentation is demographic segmentation. Okay, under demographic, customers are divided according to age, gender, okay, family size, okay, marital status, okay, then education qualification, educational qualification, then language, yes, religion, yes, then occupation, and many more based on demographic segmentation. Third segmentation is psychographic segmentation, okay, under which the market is divided according to a consumer's personality, okay, then lifestyle, yes, self-image, yes, achievements, yes, motivation, then value, attitude, yes, then their interest. Okay, then the last point is on the basis of behavioral segmentation. Okay, behavioral segmentation is based on decision making, then buying process, okay, then brand perception, yes, knowledge about the product, then purchase, usage, occasion. Okay, these are the 4 bases of market segmentation. So what we learned today? We learned about market segmentation. It is a customer oriented strategy. It is a process of dividing the market into different groups. Yes, why groups? Because they want to conquer the market. What is the objective? It is grouping of customer, determining of marketing strategies, activities of the firm, expansion of area where customer can be created. Now the importance is better utilization of resources, effective utilization of resources, facing competitions, within the competitors or in the market, or enhancement of marketing efficiency. And then market segmentation is broadly divided into 4 parts. Yes, the first part is geographical segmentation, where regional difference, topographic, climate factors comes out. Demographic, age, gender, family size, marital status, according to psychographics, personality, lifestyle, self-image, achievements, and behavioral is on the basis of decision making process or buying process. So hope you like my video. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, and most importantly, kindly subscribe my channel. Tomorrow I will be back with another video. Thank you so much.